Students, welcome to all. Now we discuss about microprocessor and microcontroller. This presentation is presented by R.G. Venkatesan, TPJT, Vellore. Microcontrollers Introduction. Here, first we already discussed the microprocessor. What is microprocessor? Microprocessor perform 16-bit address and 16-bit data at a time. In microprocessor, there is a CPU for computers. Here, there is no RAM, ROM, IO on CPU chip itself, but all of them are externally connected. For example, Intel 86, Motorola 680. Here in microprocessor, block diagram, general purpose microprocessor system shown in figure. CPU, general purpose microprocessor connected to data bus and address bus. Here this system is connected to RAM, ROM, IO port, timer, serial communication port. That is like that mother's board, many chips on motherboard. In first we discuss about microcontroller. What is microcontroller? Microcontroller perform 8-bit data on at that time. It is a smaller computer on chip RAM, ROM, IO ports. For example, Motorola 6811, Intel 8051, Zigzag Z8 and programmable interrupt controller PIC microcontroller. Shown the block diagram, microcontroller. CPU, IO port, RAM, timer, ROM, serial communication port, all of them are in a single chip. This is the microcontroller. The difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. Microprocessor, CPU is standalone, RAM, ROM, IO timer are separate in microprocessor. In microcontroller, CPU, RAM, ROM, IO and timer are all on a single chip. Fixed amount of on-chip ROM, RAM, IO ports. For microprocessor, designer can decide on the amount of ROM, RAM and IO ports. In microcontroller, for applications in which cost, power and space are critical. In microprocessor, it is expensive, somewhat cost. For microcontroller, it is not expensive, somewhat less expensive, less cost. For microprocessor, it is a general purpose. We can use general purpose. In microcontroller, it is a single purpose, application based microcontroller. Microcontrollers applications. For home applications, home appliances, intercom, telephone, security system, carriage door openers, answering machines, fax machines, home computers, TVs, cable TV tuner, VCR, camcorder, remote controls, video games, cellular phones, musical instruments, sewing machines, lighting control, paging, camera, pinball machines, toys, exercise equipment, etc. In office, telephones, computers, security systems, fax machines, microwave copier, laser printer, color printer, paging, etc. Auto applications, trip computer, engine control, airbag, automatic brake system, instrumentation, security system, transmission control, entertainment, climate control, cellular phone, keyless entry. For example, the applications are shown in diagram. Now, Unit 4 8051 microcontroller. Here we discuss the topic features, pin diagram, block diagram, architecture. Here 8051 microcontroller, it is Intel introduced 8051 developed in the year 1981. The 8051 is an 8-bit processor. The CPU can work on only 8 bits of data at a time. The 8051 became widely popular after allowing other manufacturers to make and market any flavor of the 8051. 8051 family. The 8051 is a subset of the 8052. The 8031 is a ROM-less 8051. Add external ROM to it. You lost 2 ports and leave only 2 ports for IO operations. Features. Different type of features for 8051, 8052, 8031. First, ROM. On-chip program space in bytes. For 8051, 4 kilobytes. 8052, 8 kilobytes. 8031, 0 kilobytes. RAM bytes. 8051 and 8031, 128 bytes. 8052, 256 bytes. For timers, 8051, 8031 having 2 timers, 8052 having 3 timers. IO pins both of them having 32 IO pins. For serial port, both of them having single IO ports. For interrupt sources, 8051 having 6, 8031 having 6 interrupt sources, 8052 having 8 interrupt sources. 8051 features 64 kilobyte program memory address space, 64 kilobyte data memory address space, 4 kilobytes of on-chip program memory, 128 bytes of on-chip data random access memory, 32 bidirectional and individually addressable IO lines, 2 16-bit timer or counter, 6 source or 5 vector interrupt structures with 2 priority levels, on-chip clock oscillator. Here now we discussed the pin description of the 8051. 8051 family members. Example 8751, 89C51, 89C52, DS89C 4X0 have 40 pins dedicated for various functions such as IO, read, write, address, data and interrupts. This is the dual inline package IC 8051. For one side 20 pin, another side 20 pin, both of them having 40 pin IC. Some companies provide a 20 pin version of the 8051 with a reduced number of IO ports for less demanding applications. Pin diagram of the 8051. You can see the pin diagram. 20 pin in one side, 20 pin in another side. Total number of pins are 40 pins. Port pin 1 to 8 having port 1 pin, port 1.0 to port 1.7. Pin number 9 is the reset pin. Pin 10 to pin 17 is the port 3 pin. Pin 10 received pin. Pin 11 transmitted pin. Pin 12 interrupt 0 bar pin. Pin 13 interrupt 1 bar pin. Pin 14 timer 0. Pin 15 timer 1 pin. Pin 16 write bar pin. Pin 17 read bar pin. Pin 18 crystal 2 pin. Pin 19 crystal 1 pin. Pin 20 is the ground pin. Pin 21 to pin 28 port 2 pin. They are higher order address line pins A8 to A15. Pin 29 is the program store enable bar pin. Pin 30 is the address latch enable or programming bar pin. Pin 31 is the external access bar pin or programming voltage pin. 32 is the 32 to 39 is the port 0 pin. 39 is the AD0 pin, higher order address line pin. 38 is the AD1, 37 is the AD2, 36 is the AD3, 35 AD4, 34 AD5, 33 AD6, 32 AD7. Pin 48 is the VCC pin, plus VCC pin. Pin 20 is the ground pin, negative VCC. Crystal 1 and Crystal 2. The 8051 has an on-chip oscillator but requires an external clock to run it. A quartz crystal oscillator is connected to inputs crystal 1 pin number 19 and crystal 2 pin 18. The quartz crystal oscillator also needs two capacitors of 30 picofarad value. We show the block diagram. Crystal 2, crystal 1 ground pin. Crystal 1 pin, crystal 2 pins are connected 30 picofarad capacitors and resistor, that is crystal. So the block diagram. If you use a frequency source other than a crystal oscillator such as a TTL oscillator, so the block diagram will be connected to crystal 1 external oscillator signal. Crystal 2 is not connected, no connection, ground pin. The speed of 8051 refers to the maximum oscillator frequency connected to crystal. Maximum oscillator frequency is determined by crystal. We can observe the frequency on the crystal 2 pin using the oscilloscope. How much frequency is determined by crystal 2 is calculated by oscilloscope. RST reset pin is an input pin and is active high, normally low. Upon applying a high pulse to this pin, the microcontroller will reset and terminate from all activities. EA external access is an input pin and must be connected to VCC or ground. Normally EA pin is connected to VCC. EA pin must be connected to ground to indicate that the code or data is stored externally from externally code or data is stored will be determined by EA pin. PSEN and ALE. PSEN, program store enable, is an output pin. This pin is connected to the output enable pin of the external memory. For external code memory, for we get a code, PSEN will be equal to 0. We get data for external data memory, PSEN will be equal to 1. ALE, address latch enable pin, is used for demultiplexing the address lines and data lines. This address or data will be determined by ALE pin. IO port pins. The 4 8-bit IO ports, port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3, each uses 8 pins. That is, port 0 having 8 pins, port 1 having 8 pins, port 2 having 8 pins, port 3 having 8 pins. Port 0. Port 0 is also designated as higher AD0 to AD7, lower order data line and address lines. When connecting an AT51 to an external memory, port 0 provides both address and data. The AT51 multiplexes address and data through port 0 to save pins. ALE indicates if P0 address or data. P0 as address or data. When ALE equal to 0, it provides data D0 to D7. When ALE equal to 1, it has address A0 to A7. Port 1 and port 2. In AT51 based systems with no external memory connection, both P1 and P2 are used as simple IO. There is no external memory. P1 and P2 act as simple IO, input output. In AT51 based systems with the external memory connections, port 2 must be used along with port 0 to provide the 16-bit address for the external memory. Port 0 provides the lower 8 bits via address 0 to address 7. Port 2 is used for the upper 8 bits of the 16-bit address designated as higher order address line A8 to A15, and it cannot be used for IO, input output. Port 3. Port 3 bit function pin. Port 3.0 received 10th pin. Port 3.1 transmitter 11th pin. Serial communications. Port 3.2 interrupt 0 bar pin. Port 3.3 interrupt 1 bar pin. 12th and 13th pin external interrupts. Port 3.4 timer 0. Port 3.5 timer 1. 14th and 15th pin. Both of them are timer pins. Port 3.6 write bar pin. Port 3.7 read bar pin. Port pin number 16 and 7 read or write signals of external memories. So this lecture completed. Continuation or continued by next lecture. Thanking you.